Hey everybody, it's Lynn here from A Bit of Birdsong. I was contacted by Grabie to review one of their scrapbook boxes, and after looking at the website, I was happy to do that. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Even this shiny outside padded envelope has got this beautiful finish, and I'm probably going to use that to make a trashy journal. And then the box itself it's just packaged so beautifully. The box can be used for something. It's nice and heavy, and when you open it, you have this beautiful packaging. Hello, may the art be with you. Welcome. And you can see we've got August stamped here on the top. So this is the August box. After looking at the website, it looks like you can choose maybe to be more scrapbook related or just straight up arts and crafts. The website is very nicely laid out and there's a lot of information on there. I did discover in reading on the website that they were founded as a response to just the isolation and depression that came from COVID, and art was a way to help people cope. So this company was started to make sure that people could get art supplies at an affordable price. So this does have some planning items in it, which is fine with me. I tend to be a planner. I carry a traveler's notebook. I make my own traveler's notebooks to put in the cover here, and I'm always writing down ahead. What do I have to do this day, by the end of the week, that sort of thing. But a lot of this stuff will just translate right over into junk journaling, and I want to see what all is in here. I believe this box, if you just ordered it, would be $49.99. We know art supplies are expensive, so I'm not surprised at that price. That might sound like a lot, but their boxes are normally valued at a lot more than what you're actually paying. So already I see an ink pad. I see this adorable stamp kit with the numbers and the months, the days, and some little symbols for punctuation, question mark, exclamation point. So let's just lay everything out first. Then we have this adorable set. We have tiny, ooh, they're nice. These are heavy. So this is metal. I thought it was going to be plastic, and it's not. This is actually a very handy set. What we have is a cutter pen, a glue pen, tweezers, and a scraper. We've got plan with various styles of sign stickers for various purposes. What do we have here? Plus Pen 3000 non-permanent fine liner. These are all in pastel. There are 6 different colors. They are pretty little pens, and it is a fine tip. Oh, it is a very fine tip. It's pretty. I hope you can see that. This, by the way, is a little square of watercolor paper. It might write a little darker on something that's not so thick. And then we have this nice bag, and let's just check out everything that's in here. Lucky number, and this has a washi tape look to it. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love these. So we have, there are quite a few stickers here, and I know that stickers can get expensive. Somewhat delicate. Let's just go ahead. So let's do this. Let me open up my planner, and I like this page that's got the polka dots. So why don't we just take her out and see, it is delicate sort of paper. No wonder the tweezers are in here. I kind of bent that across the top, but it's okay. It straightened back out. But I could see how you could mess up one if you just continued to scrape at it. Oh, what is this? Companion. Feel my heart. Square. That's cute. Oh wow, so it's got the graph style paper. I think there's another name for that. It's pretty. It's nice. It has a very nice feel. The paper feels nice. And what is this? Point dot stickers. Oh wow, look at all this. I love these colors. So they are a little bit on the pastel side, but also some what feels more like jewel tones. And we still haven't even opened this yet. There's a lot in here. I think it is a good value. If you went out to buy all this without purchasing the box at a discount price, I think you would pay a lot more. I'm thinking about times I've been in large craft stores. I won't name any names, but just how expensive packs like this are. I've seen packs of stickers for planners that go up near $30, $40. Those are pretty. My only concern with myself and just knowing how I am is that they're a little bit tedious to get started, but I'm also kind of aggressive with my crafting, and I like things that are sturdy and you can do whatever. So it's probably good for me to have something where I have to slow down and think about it, be more careful. I like that. And we're not trying to make any kind of spectacular layout. We're just looking at everything that's in here, which is a lot. Let's look at these gorgeous flowers in here. Whispers in the Wind petals. So this little sticker, you can see it pulls off very easily when you get it started. Just such a beautiful layered look. Oh my goodness, I do love that. So pretty. Again, this is a sticker. You can just get it started and it pulls off quite nicely. And again, we're not trying to make some fabulous layout. We're just seeing how these work and how they look. I like these. Great for planning if you want your planner to really pop and be gorgeous. And I'm kind of a planner girl. I've reviewed planners on here before, and it depends on my work situation and what kind of situation I'm in as far as just having space and having liberty to lay things out and write in them. You know, it depends on your situation, but especially being here and running this business full time, that I definitely carry a planner. And now we have all this. Got Fairy Tale Town. Oh my goodness, look at the little buildings. And it looks like maybe some rides like you would see at a circus or a fair. I definitely am not going to use this just on the fly. We will use this for a layout. Absolutely beautiful. Delicate but sturdy paper cutouts there. Overture. They're definitely music themed. And just little sheets for writing and adding to layouts. Do a little collage. Past memory, these are beautiful. So this is actually a dried flower, and you can see that there was a little bit of breakage there. That's okay. Most of us have things like that in our stash. I'm hopeful that you can see how beautiful these are and how many there are. This says the cloud. I bring fresh showers for the thirsting flowers. Very, very pretty. You can see the bunny. It says fresh. Reminds me of Alice in Wonderland. Really pretty. So I'm not going to try to midnight streets, I hear. So I am going to enjoy this a lot. There's a little, looks like a little tearing on one of these. And again, I'm not going to go all to pieces over that, because you know me and how I feel about masking tape. I love it. The paper is too short to describe one's feelings. Oh, okay, got it. That's not a description of the product. It's more like wanting to journal and put everything down, and you have so much and you can hardly get it on the paper. So you can see that one's torn a little bit, but beautiful, delicate paper. I like this. And then some more vellum type paper in the back. Oh yeah, of every one. That's pretty. Ooh, love these. So these little tags, so are they different? Looks like they are. So pretty. You could, well, I see the flower runs across. You could tear out the whole thing, I suppose. But when you tear off the individual tags, you're going to get parts of those flowers, which is pretty. That's a lot. And now we are here, Autumn Flowers, Retro Multi-Material Material Pack. I even like this little thing to make a pocket with. So pretty paper. sort of a fall theme. Autumn flowers, it says. And then these little things here. That says vintage. And then we have this sweet envelope. It says paper in here, so you could use that to store some things. This could be your little travel pack right here. It's plastic and it looks like it's crimped together with a machine, so you know it's not going to withstand being stuffed to the point where it tears open, because I think it would eventually. It's nice. This is a nice pack. I'm very thrilled to have this. There is a discount code if you want to order from the company. Please use the discount provided and check out their website. I am so pleasantly surprised. I don't do every collaboration that's presented to me. Sometimes I just don't feel like I really understand it, or it doesn't feel like it's in line with what my channel is, but this is perfect. I think all of this is quality material. I think this especially would be an excellent gift for someone, like a student, or a young lady who is into journaling and diaries and such. This would be something that could be enjoyed for a long time, and definitely quality material. So thank you, Grabie, for asking me to be a part of this and to show off your beautiful products. And thank you for watching. I will be back really soon, and bye for now.